Hello everyone, welcome to BlockPress. In this video, we will talk about the Telegram chat. If you are a user of the Divi Pro plugin, you can add easily a Telegram chat box in your Divi website. First, we are adding the Telegram chat module. As you can see here, a text appear. Click here, edit the Telegram settings. This will not visible on the front end. That's mean when you exit the module settings, if you cannot identify where you have inserted the Telegram chat module, because Telegram chat module will visible here on the corner or the left side. Let's start with Telegram chat module settings and let's see which options and setting it have. First, let's start from the content tab, go to general, and as you can see here, we have to insert the Instagram username. In our case, it is block P001, and there's multiple template here. We will select the booking on. Here is the booking on, and the chat bubble. You can change the icon of the chat bubble. As you can see here, if we select the message icon, it's changed to the message, and we want to keep it as Telegram icon. And also we can customize the bubble text, that means need help text. So we are adding here book now. Also on the upload custom icon, you can upload custom icon. Go to chat header. Chat header means this one, and you can change the name Hi Run. And you can also the profile caption text. We want to keep it, and we want to change the image, this one, and you can decrease and increase the profile image size, and you can also change the header background color. Let's jump into the welcome message toggle, and you can customize the welcome message. We want to keep it a start chat button. You can change the color a start chat button. We will change to the black, or we want to just keep it default. And on very important thing to mention, the chat box in the Divi Telegram chat module is static. It does not facilitate real-time chatting. It is designed to redirect Telegram. Now we are saving it and exiting the visual builder. When user hit the book now button and click the start chat, it will redirect to Telegram. Thank you for watching.